Hi, Michael. Thought I'd just do a short video just to show you how to enter these things in Maple. So if you go to Maple and open a new worksheet, and then we're going to type in with linear algebra. I'm going to put a colon at the end. That means it's this package, has all these commands in it. I don't want to see all those commands. Okay, the next thing that we'd like to do is you want to enter this matrix, right, from your paper. So it's a 4x4. I'm not going to enter this exact matrix, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. All right, so first name the matrix. The way we name things in Maple is A : equals. And if you go to the palette on the left here, click on the matrix palette. I already had that open. And we want it to be a 4x4 matrix, so then just change your rows and columns. Put your cursor where you want to insert the matrix. And then you could start typing it in. What I do is, where it's highlighted, I press a number and then hit tab to move over. Okay, then you don't need anything at the end of that line. You can just hit enter, and that executes it in Maple. The next thing you'd like to do is you want to input a column vector, right, and then do these multiplications. Right, to do a column vector, let's call it V : equals. Here we're just going to change our columns to 1, 4 rows. Put your cursor there and then just insert that. And then we can just type, okay, and hit enter. All right, so that's where we are right now. Let me just change my view so we can see more. Okay, next then, if you want to multiply, it's pretty straightforward. Instead of using an asterisk, though, we just use a period. So if I want to multiply two vectors, now obviously the multiplication has to make sense, right? So this is a 4x4. We're going to multiply it by a 4x1, so that makes sense to do. Because if you were ever to get something that said error, that means that you either didn't do it in the right order, because matrix multiplication, right, is not commutative. So just do A period V, and then that gives you that vector there. Okay. If I wanted to do A squared, I can do A squared. I'll get that. If I could also just do A squared times V, and it'll do that for me. So it makes sense in that case that I get this column vector. So that's pretty simply it, right? You can just continue this process until you get all of these vectors that you needed, okay? And then what you can do is you can take a screenshot program and I would just take do a screenshot of just exactly what you need. Like I can just show you real quick here. You could either do the blue copy or whichever copy you prefer, but this is what I would do in my screenshot program. You know, just grab it. And then I just do this. And, you know, I can save it, do a copy of it, save it, whatever I want to do, and then I can paste it somewhere. That's probably the easiest way to do it. All right, hope this helps. I'll share this worksheet with you. Bye-bye.